Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant. Go to voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree, and say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. Tap finish. And now let's try it. OK Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers with a high of 63 and a low of 44.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.